Here is a profitable side hustle that nobody is talking about, and of course, it doesn't require a college degree. Check this out. There are currently over 9.7 million Amazon sellers worldwide, and they're growing by 1 million each year. What this has led to is a massive competition between all of the sellers for your dollars. So what this has turned into is the selling the shovels to gold miners opportunity. Let me explain. Most people don't know this, but Amazon has an advertising certificate program. Once you pass their certification assessment, they're gonna give you a digital badge, which will just basically give you some credibility to running ads for clients that sell on Amazon. What's great about this certification program is that it's completely self-paced and free. All you have to do is log in and go to certifications. And now that we're in certifications, you can see you can sign up for any one of these particular trainings. Here's your free courses for certification. So if you've been following along, your training on Amazon to earn the certification is like getting the shovels for the gold miners in the 1800s. As an advertiser, you can now offer your services to help sellers get their products seen before anybody of their competitors' products. But where are they gonna find you? All you have to do is just place your services on Upwork.com. After I typed in Amazon, there's 774 Amazon requested jobs. Here is an example of a company that's looking for an Amazon expert, and they're gonna pay $75 to $100 per hour. Now, obviously, this is a really great side hustle that pretty much anybody can get into. But what I like to do is high-ticket affiliate marketing where I can earn commissions upwards of $1,000. If you guys are interested in learning more about how I earn money online, go ahead and check the link in the bio, and I'll see you guys on the next one.